Hello, what is your name?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Lizera Lisanda.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
You have kids?
One daughter,
How old?
10 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I work for 2 years and 3 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Saudi Arabia, I work for 2 years. And in Malaysia, also 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
2 years and 3 months.
In Hong Kong, in previous employer?
Yes, ma'am. I work. My previous employer is 1 year and 6 months.
Where's your employer living in?
White phone.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
600.
How many family member there?
2 adults and one son.
Okay, how old is son now?
This coming March going to 2 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning and then I take my breakfast. After I finish my breakfast, I start cleaning the house. And then when the baby wakes up, I need to change the diaper, mom. And see also the baby. And then I cook my lunch. And then after I cook my lunch, I feed first the baby his breakfast, mom. And then when time for lunch, I eat my lunch. And then look for the baby.
Okay, so how about marketing? Do you go market?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook 7:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
I start preparing for dinner I start preparing dinner. I cook the rice from 6:45, mom.
Okay, so
And
what time
then
they eat?
They eat 8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed when I finish my work.
Okay, so thank you so much.